Packing for a big trip can be daunting, but with a few clever techniques, you can avoid wrinkles and save space in your luggage. Rolling casual clothes like t-shirts, shorts, and synthetic fabrics help prevent wrinkles and fit easily into bags. For delicate items, use mesh laundry bags for visibility without handling, and keep rolled pajamas and underwear accessible. Specific rolling methods exist for various clothing types, such as pants, blouses, long-sleeve shirts, skirts, and dresses, often incorporating a cuff to secure the roll. Additionally, consider vacuum packing or placing wrinkle-prone items like cotton or silk in plastic dry cleaning bags for extra protection. For a bundled packing approach, use a soft pouch as a core and layer heavier jackets and long-sleeve tops first, followed by pants and lighter items to maximize space and minimize wrinkles.